Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2024 Harley Davidson Freewheeler. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 671 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output of 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and both rear tires at 1030 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This trike comes with 2 keys and 1 fob. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a luggage rack and axle caps. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.